for us to integrate this one, we need to integrate it with respect to dy, what is inside. This is dy, okay? And when we're done with it with dy, we integrate with respect to dx. So if you can see, we are unable to see any y here, okay? And we are respecting y. So what it means? It means that we just have to put a y, so it will look like this. Okay, we have a y. Okay, so this is what we have, and then the limits, you put them. Okay, so this is what we have. Once we pass this stage, we can now put this x where y is, so it will look like this. Okay, this is how it will look like. This 0, if we put it, it will just be a 0, so nothing will show, it will just be a 0. So we just put x right here where y is. So at this stage we can integrate. So we need something to integrate. We will let u be equal to the power that we are able to see. So this is the power at e, it's negative x power 2, okay? And then we say du, okay, is equal to, we are differentiating this one, okay? Okay, so sorry, dx, du dx, okay? We're finding the du dx of this one, which will just be negative 2x. So now we can make the x subject of the formula by cross multiplication. This times this, we have du is equal to 2x dx. We are making the x subject of the formula, so we divide by negative 2x by negative 2x. This and this will cancel, so we remain with dx, which is equal to du, this du over 2x, negative du over 2x. So this, we need this, it's very important, okay? So now, since we have those, we can now say the integral from 0 to 1 of x, this x, power e power u, this u. Okay, so we've just gotten this u, if you can see this u, and put it where this power negative x power 2 was. And then for dx, this dx here, we said dx is negative du over 2x. So we'll replace, we'll say negative, let me write it properly. We say negative du over 2x. So we have that, such that this x and this one will cancel, okay? So we have negative 1 over 2, okay? This negative, bring it outside. Since it's a constant, and the 2, you bring it outside the integral. This is the rule. It's what you're supposed to do. And we just remain with the e power u du. So this is what we have, okay? Now at this point, we can now integrate e to e power u. The integral of e power u du is just the same stuff you're able to see. So it will look like this, e power u, and the limits from 0 to 1. So we can bring back the power which was here. U is this one, so at this stage you bring it back, so you have power negative x negative x power 2 in the limits from 0 to 1. So now we can work out things here. We're almost done. We can say negative 1 over 2 e to the power, this one you put the number at x, this one at x, so it will be negative 1 to the power 1, which is just negative 1, minus, you put 0 here, it will just be e to the power 0. Okay, so now here we can clean up things a little bit. Equal to negative 1 over 2, we have e. Remember the laws of indices, this will just be 1 over e, 1 over e, minus, here it will just be 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. So we are done. This is the solution. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more videos.